Welcome back to the Social Media Mastery for Real Estate Professionals course. In our last episode, we talked about the power of YouTube and how it can transform your real estate business. Today, we're going to get hands-on and set up your YouTube channel from scratch. Hi, I'm Grant Hackett, proud owner of Smart Sale Real Estate. By the end of this video, you'll have a fully functioning YouTube channel that's ready for your first upload. Excited? First things first, you'll need to sign into YouTube using your Google account. If you don't have a Google account yet, go ahead and create one. It's free and easy. You'll notice that I've started off by going incognito. That's simply because of the fact that I already have a Google account and I didn't want to create another one under my name. So you'll come down here and you'll select create a channel. Now you can either do one for your business, one for yourself, or one for your child. You then type in a name. The surname is optional, and the next step is to put in your birth date. Now I've put a fictitious one in here because I don't intend to keep this account. You'll then get prompted for your gender, and once you've put that in, it'll then ask you for an email account. So I've just made one up. The first one that I've chosen has already been taken, as you'll see in a minute. And so I've just added a number onto the end of that. Now it asks you to create a password. I'm not going to actually show you the password that I've created for obvious reasons. You then get the option to create a recovery password or just skip past it, which is exactly what I've done. It then asks you to review the terms and conditions and agree to them. And that's it. Simple as that. You now have a Google account. Enjoy. Once you're signed in, click on your profile icon in the top right-hand corner and select Create a Channel. This will prompt you to choose a name for your channel. Choosing the right channel name is crucial. It should be easy to remember, relevant to your real estate business, and ideally include keywords that reflect what your channel is about. For example, if you're going to specialize in luxury properties, something like Luxury Homes NZ or Auckland Luxury Realty could work well, or my personal preference, your name. Nobody can take that from you. So in my case, Grant Hackett was already taken by that Aussie swimmer. So choose a variation, like Grant.Hackett. Ideally, a professional headshot or your business logo. Next, upload a banner image. This is the large image at the top of your channel, so make sure it's high quality and represents your brand well. Tools like Canva can help you design a professional-looking banner, even if you're not a graphic designer. A good example is the banner that I have sitting behind me. It is what I use on my YouTube channel. See? With just a few clicks, you can create a polished banner that grabs attention. Make sure it includes your logo, your tagline, and maybe even a photo of one of your listings. Now that your channel looks the part, let's talk about the description. Your channel description should be clear and keyword rich. Think of it as your elevator pitch. What can viewers expect from your channel? Make sure to include terms like real estate, property, home tours, and your location to help people find your channel through search. Once your description is in place, it's time to add channel keywords. These are the terms that help YouTube understand what your channel is about. Go to Settings, then Channel, and finally Basic Info to add your keywords. Include phrases like Auckland real estate, home buying tips, property tours, and anything else that aligns with your content. With your basic channel set up, there's just one more thing to do. Set your channel URL. YouTube allows you to create a custom URL once you meet certain criteria, but for now, you can share your channel using the default link provided. As your channel grows, you'll want to customize this URL to match your brand. Congratulations, you've just set up your YouTube channel, and you're one step closer to becoming a YouTube-savvy real estate professional. In the next episode, we'll dive into the content strategy and planning, how to figure out what videos to create and when to post them. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and hit that bell notification so you don't miss out. See you in the next video. Grant Hackett, Smart Sale Real Estate, signing off.